Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. We see that we have first the derivative of the function and we have original function in here. And in this situation, we can use about integrating factor. So we have mu s equals to e to the power of the integral. We see that this one is next to y and this one in here is about integrating factor. So we put this one go in here. The integral of this one you will go about to ln of 1 plus s squared. So number 2 will go inside natural log, so you go about ln of 1 plus s squared to the power of 2. And this one you go about 1 plus s squared to the power of 2. That means we need to multiply both sides of this one. So this one simplified by this one, you got about 8s. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So the integration on the left, we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So that means first derivative of y equal to first derivative of u multiplied by v. Later that first derivative of v multiplied by u. So this one is about first derivative of u multiplied by v. For s over 1 plus s squared multiplied by this one, we simplify and you got about 4s multiplied by 1 plus s squared. So this one is about first derivative of 1 plus s squared to the power of 2. So this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v, and this is about first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if we do this integration, you will got about y equals to uv, and that means if we do this integration, you will got about y multiplied by 1 plus s squared, everything to the power of 2. The integral of as, you got about a multiplied by s squared over 2, and we put about c. So a divided by 2, you got about 4. Now we have the conditions. That's about this one. That means when s equals to number 0, y equals to number 1. So we put number 0 go in here, number 0 go in here, number 1 go in here, and now we simplify and you got about 1 equal to c, and now we got the final answer. So we change c into number 1. Next, we divide both sides of this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.